Why was Henrietta lacks informed consent a problem? Imagine going to the doctor for a treatment, trusting they will tell you everything about what they're doing. Now picture your cells being taken without your knowledge. That's what happened to Henrietta Lacks. In 1951, Henrietta was treated for cervical cancer at Johns Hopkins Hospital, a hospital that mainly served Black patients. During her treatment, doctors took some of her cancer cells without telling her or asking for her permission. Back then, medical rules didn't require doctors to get specific consent for using a patient's tissues in research. They often just took samples as part of treatment. Henrietta signed a general consent form for her treatment, but it didn't mention that her cells might be used for research or sold later. She had no idea her cells would be cultured and used in labs worldwide. This lack of clear communication is a big problem because it violates the core idea of informed consent. Patients should know what's happening to their bodies and agree freely. Informed consent means doctors must explain what they plan to do, the risks involved, and what the results might mean. Henrietta was not told that her cells could cause infertility or that they would be used for profit. She was kept in the dark about how her biological material would be used or shared. This denied her the chance to make an informed choice about her treatment and her body. The ethical issues don't stop with Henrietta. Her family was unaware for decades that her cells, called HeLa cells, had been taken and used so widely. These cells generated billions of dollars in profits and helped many scientific advances. Yet her family received no compensation or even notification. Her case highlights problems of respect, fairness, and justice. Henrietta was a Black woman living in a segregated system, which adds layers of inequality and exploitation. Her story pushed the medical community to rethink how they handle consent and respect for patients' rights. Today, laws and policies emphasize that patients must give explicit permission before their tissues are used. Researchers now need to clearly explain how they will use biological samples and respect privacy rights. Henrietta Lacks' experience reminds us why informed consent is essential to protect individuals and build trust in healthcare. In practice, this means always asking for clear, written permission before collecting human tissues. Explaining the purpose, potential uses, and privacy protections is a must. Her story is a key example that helps shape ethical rules so no one's body is used without their full understanding and agreement.